उनसे जाके कह दो इस दिल को इस्तेमाल ना करें. Hey guys, welcome to Uke Guide. In this video, I'm gonna teach you this beautiful song from Justh, Unse Jaake Kehdo. So I've recently heard it, and since then this song is in loop for me. And if you haven't heard it, then go check it out first. So this video is for everyone. If you are a beginner, you are an intermediate player, I will explain you step by step everything in detail. So make sure you watch this lesson till the end. So now let's jump right into the video and I will explain you everything in detail. Alright guys, so let's start with chords, and there are 6 chords which you need to learn today. The first one is chord C. So you play chord C like this, then chord F. So there are 2 fingers. Chord F sounds like this. Then you need chord D minor, another easy one. So chord D minor sounds like this. Then you need chord G. So you need 3 fingers and you play chord G like this. Now there are 2 extra chords which we will need in the later part of this song, and these chords are chord E minor. So again 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3, and E minor sounds like this. And then the last one is E7. So we'll use this special chord. Okay, it sounds magical. So guys, now we'll learn chord progression, and you have to pay special attention here because the strum pattern is a little tricky and you might need to practice well before you start using in the song. So very basic, first we use muted strings. So the strum pattern is down, up, mute. So practice it like that only. Down, up, mute. Down, up, mute. Down, up, mute. Down, up, mute. Okay. Now it's time to practice it on some chords. So we'll start with chord C. So hold chord C and then do down, up, mute. 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 Change. F. Down, up, mute. Down, up, mute. Down, up, mute. G. So this strum pattern is very popular. We also call it island strum, and you will hear it in so many songs on ukulele. Now I'm going to use capo in order to sing this song. It's as per my pitch, but you can also play it without capo. Okay, so the chorus part starts like उनसे जाके कह दो इस दिल को इस्तेमाल ना करें, लेटे जिस रेत पे है उससे ही दीवार ना भरे. Now once you're done with these 2 lines, then you have to use 4 chords. So now let's learn that part. दिल बिखर बिखर के फिर संभलने वाला है, रात ढल चुकी सवेरा आने वाला है. Okay, so that's how you play this part. So chord D minor, F, C and G. Now for the next line you play हम तो खुद को फिर पसंद करने लगे. Now let's play this part again in one go. उनसे जाके कह दो इस दिल को इस्तेमाल ना करें, लेट जिस रेत पे है उससे ही दीवार ना भरे. दिल बिखर बिखर के फिर संभलने वाला है, रात ढल चुकी सवेरा आने वाला है, हम तो खुद को फिर पसंद करने लगे. उनसे जाके कह दो इस दिल को इस्तेमाल ना करें, So that's how you play chorus part, and now we'll learn verse part, which is my personal favorite. And for this one, we will also use two additional chords, E minor and E7. And I'm gonna first explain you this with downstrokes, and then we will use our strum pattern. Okay, so the chords which we'll use here: C, F, then E minor, E7, and then D minor, G, F, G. Okay, now we'll sing and understand how you need to play this part. हाँ, बात करता हूँ मैं अब न उनके बारे में, ताकि उनकी यादें दिल का हिस्सा बन सके. So that's the order, and now let's understand it with the strum pattern. हाँ, बात करता हूँ मैं अब न उनके बारे में, ताकि उनकी यादें दिल में आती ना रहे. हाँ, रात भरता हूँ मैं ख्वाब नए देख के, ताकि दिल में उम्मीदें मेरा हिस्सा बन सके. ओ हम तो फिर से खुश रहने लगे. And for the last line you need C, F, D minor and chord G. ओ हम तो फिर से खुश रहने